we're talking about a glue gun that I've never seen before. This was sent for my review, and I'll tell you why this is so special, because it's got a couple of features that I've never seen in other glue guns. Now, looks great. This is the pink and black version. It comes with a 12-volt battery. Now, what makes this special is two things. The 12-volt battery is rechargeable via a USB plug that they actually, cable that they actually give you. And I'll show you where the USB-C is. Look at this. It's right here. You just bring this down, or sorry, we bring this up, and it appears right there, and you can actually plug it in and charge it that way. I'm going to close it back down, and now it's closed and ready to use. Now, the cool thing, and that's what they're saying, is that it takes 15 seconds from power on to actually being able to have hot glue coming out of it, which I think is pretty special. So you literally put the battery on. I'm going to turn it on here with the button right there. So that's the power button. And then the second button is a little light. So if you want, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's see if, yeah, you've got a little bit of a light, which is nice if you're doing some like focused or very detailed crafts. That would help. They do also give you 50 glue sticks, some colorful and most of them of the clear way. The other thing that I wanted to tell you, I've already put in a blue. Let me actually go and do. I'm gonna add a yellow. Just see what when the blue and the yellow kind of like combine or switch up. And we'll see if it's ready to go. It's been a little over 15 seconds, obviously, but yeah, let's go. I've got some really hard cardboard. We're going to see how well it does, and we're going to see it's supposed to also be extremely precise on that edge. Look at that. It is extremely precise. I love that. So the tip is tiny, or it's fine, so you don't have any smudges. You actually have really nice, and let me just make sure that, yep, there it is. Yeah, this is really cool. I can make really nice clean lines if I want to. Just like that. Look at that. Perfect. I want that glue stick lasts for a long time because I've been using it to test it out, and I haven't seen the yellow yet. Let's see if I can actually get to the yellow. Wow. Now, you wouldn't typically put this much. Oh, there it is. Now we have some yellow. You wouldn't typically put this much glue, obviously, but it is a pretty heavy-duty kind of cardboard, and I want to make sure that we're able to see how the glue works. The other really cool thing about this thing is that it has an auto shut-off. So as you saw, if I leave it like this and I forget to turn it off, after a few minutes, it will automatically shut off if the trigger is not pushed. That's fantastic. That's a great safety feature. The other cool safety feature, too, is that we don't realize this, but a lot of glue guns usually like tip over, have cables. This one is wireless. But as you could see, this one is very, very sturdy, super well balanced on its bigger battery like this. Makes it, again, extremely safe to use. But yeah, look at this. This thing is solid, already good to go. I don't have to, second guess myself. For crafts, arts and crafts, for little projects around the house, this thing is fantastic. Highly recommend.